Have you ever loved someone so much and then lost them? And just when you thought they were gone forever, they came back? This is my story. It is a story of love, of pain, and of a miracle I never thought could happen. My name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town near the sea. I was happy. I had a good job in a cafe. I had friends. And I had James. James was my love. We met when I was 20. He was gentle. He was kind. He made me laugh every day. We would walk by the beach in the evenings. We would sit on the sand. We would talk about our dreams. James wanted to be a writer. I wanted to open a small bakery. We dreamed together. The day everything changed. One morning, James called me. His voice was shaking. Anna, I have to leave for work in another city. It's a big chance for me. I felt my heart break a little. How long will you be gone? I asked. I don't know, maybe a year. A year. It felt like forever. But I smiled for him. I told him, go. Follow your dream. Even though my dream was him. He was gone. James left the next week. The cafe felt empty without him. The beach felt quiet. We talked on the phone at first. Messages every day. But slowly, the calls became shorter. The messages came less often. One day, they stopped. I waited. One day. 2 days. A week. No call. I sent a message, are you okay? No reply. I thought maybe he was busy. But then, I saw a photo on social media. It was James, with another girl. They were smiling. Her hand was in his. I cried that night. I cried for many nights. I couldn't eat. I couldn't sleep. I asked myself, why? Why did he leave me? Why didn't he tell me? Weeks passed. Then months. He was gone. Not just from the town, but from my life. I stopped going to the beach. I stopped baking. I stopped dreaming. One rainy morning, almost a year later, the cafe was quiet. I was cleaning the tables. The door opened. The postman came in. Anna, you have a letter, he said. I never get letters. It felt strange. I opened it slowly. It was from James. My hand shook as I read. Anna, I know I hurt you. I know you hate me. But please read until the end. I didn't leave because I stopped loving you. I left because I was sick. Very sick. I didn't want you to see me like that. I went to another city for treatment. The girl you saw in the photo. She is my nurse. She saved my life. I thought I would die, Anna. But now, I am better. And if you can forgive me, I want to see you again. James asterisk. I couldn't believe it. All this time, I thought he had left me for someone else. All this time, I hated him. But he was fighting for his life. And I didn't know. Tears ran down my face. My hands were cold. I didn't know what to do. Part of me wanted to run to him. Part of me was afraid. 2 days later, I went to the train station. I didn't tell anyone. I just went. The train arrived. People came out. And then, I saw him. James looked thinner. His face was pale. But his eyes were the same. We stood there for a second. No words. Just looking. Then he walked to me. He took my hand. I'm sorry, he whispered. I'm sorry for everything. I cried into his chest. I thought you were gone forever. I was, he said softly. But I came back, for you. That day, I learned something. Sometimes, we don't know the full story. Sometimes, love means waiting. Sometimes, love means forgiving. James and I are still together now. We walk by the beach again. We dream again. And every time I look at him, I think. He was gone. But he came back. If you have someone in your heart, don't give up too soon. Life can surprise you. Love can return when you least expect it. This was my story. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and write your thoughts in the comments. This is the Love Chapter by Aree, and maybe, the next story will be yours.